What's up, everyone? Thank you all so much for coming back for another video. I appreciate you taking the time to do so. And if you're new here, my name is Dooley. I'm a graphic designer and a self-taught calligrapher. And before we get into the video, I want to say make sure that you subscribe and check out the description. All of my information is there if you need to get in contact with me in any way, shape, or form. Also, check out the Etsy, and you can see the rest there. Now, let's get into the video. Every design is a frozen thought. It's a decision made by someone, but it's captured in time. But most people only see the surface. They miss the thinking that's underneath all of that. I want you to think this. When I think this, I want you to ask yourself this. Next time you see a piece of design, ask yourself this. What problem was this trying to solve? What emotion was this trying to trigger? And that's how you learn to redesign, like a designer. You start spotting patterns, like how certain tech brands use clean, cool colors to signal trust. A great example is Apple. Or how luxury brands use spacing and serif fonts to say premium. You're not just looking at style, you're reading strategy. What did I say? You're reading strategy. And I want you to start asking, what's the thought behind this design? Drop a comment with the smartest or weirdest design choice you've noticed lately, and I'll break it down in a future video. Leave it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, everyone.